Top 5 DIY maintenance tips for your home appliances. Clean regularly. Dust, debris, and grease can accumulate over time. Regularly clean the exterior and interior surfaces of your appliances to ensure optimal performance. Check seals and gaskets. Inspect the seals and gaskets on refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers. Tight, intact seals help maintain efficiency and prevent energy wastage. Ventilation is key. Ensure proper ventilation for appliances like refrigerators, dryers, and stoves. Clear dust and lint from vents to prevent overheating and improve energy efficiency. Lubricate moving parts. Lubricate moving parts of appliances like fans, motors, and hinges. This simple step can reduce friction, noise, and wear, extending the lifespan of your appliances. Operate within optimal parameters. Avoid exceeding performance limits to ensure longevity and efficiency, preventing potential spikes in electricity bills. Ready for a smarter lifestyle? Follow Bharat Smart Services for regular efficiency tips.